Are you ready for this? You're about to take the biggest leap of your life.
As ready as I'll ever be, Command. Think we'll be able to accomplish the mission?
There's no way to know for sure, but you have to try. The fate of the world depends on it.
Yeah, I just hope I'm able to adapt. I mean, it's going to be a whole new world out there.
But that's the whole point. You need to gather information, bring it back to the present. We can't let the future catch us off guard.
I understand that, Command. I'm just trying to wrap my head around the fact. Wait,
Take it easy,
something's wrong, Command.
Ronan.
I can't breathe.
Come back.
I can't breathe.
Bruce!
Welcome back, Bruce Ray 2023. As you see, things are different. Yes, we are going to do an office tour. I'll put the clip in here so you can see the office a little bit. So today we're talking about time, right? And time is a big deal because you know how much we got left. So for 12 hours a day, I used to unload trucks, right?
Damn.
Now, what's crazy to me is that, you know, when you're going swimming, they tell you, hey, you should wait 45 minutes to after you eat so you don't cramp up. They give you 30 minutes to eat. 30 minutes to eat, you get two 15-minute breaks. And we're not going to talk about the company that this is. They brag about having low prices. I hate their guts. So people will kind of like jam food in the mouth and try to rush back to the trucking dock to get meet that quota. So I was in that trucking dock and like I said, it's 100 degrees plus and I'm in there.
Damn.
And I happened to come out. Now I'm in my early 20s or mid 20s. And I'll never forget, I saw this old guy walking. You know, he had the limp. He was looking like the Hunchback of Notre Dame, and you know, he was walking down there. I was like, dang, man, I can't be like him. I got to go. I got to move on. I got to do something different, right? Because this ain't, look, I ain't trying to look like this dude. So I did what I had to do. I got out of there, man. I got me a corporate job. That's right. Your boy was at the 9 to 5. Got me an hour for lunch this time. Come on. So I looked up and I saw the same walk. That same walk was there at the office job. And I guess it was from the mental strain. I don't know. Point is, we've been taught, go to work, 9 to 5, 20 years, come out retired, then try to live your life. And you have a job that's taking 6 days out of the week from you. And I say 6 for a reason. 6 days, Monday through Friday, right? That's 5. Then you get your Saturday off. Saturday, you're truly off. Sunday comes around, what are you doing? You're thinking about having to go back to that job. The stress is starting to come on. So you're mentally working. Even though you don't think you are, you're probably working for $9 an hour. After tax, they walk up and they hand you $6. Hey man, thanks for all that you just did. Go about your business. Huh? Wait a minute, man. I made $10 an hour. No, cause taxes. So we're gonna take all your money and then we're gonna hand you this. I'm not knocking you if you make $10 an hour. Don't get it twisted. But I want you to know that they're making $60 an hour off of you. Okay? And that's how they do it. They make the money off of you. They flash a little bit here, but they keep the bulk of it down here. You dig what I'm saying? It's a setup, bro. You cannot equate time to money, right? Because time is your greatest asset. All that stuff we get caught up with, like, yeah, I gotta be to work at a certain time. You'll see these people all day. They're fighting traffic, like I said. They fight traffic. They take home the stress. They have heart attacks. Any and everything that you do so with the intent of gaining your time back so that you can enjoy this world the way it's supposed to be enjoyed. Nobody's supposed to be sitting there struggling and worrying about how much time they can dedicate to a job that they hate. Our lives are not infinite. They're finite. Meaning they come to an end at any time. So, yeah, I've been in the gym. I've been going ham. I've been trying to eat right. You know, take care of myself, get a little bit better at things, you know. But I'm trying to get better at all this because nobody knows when my last day is going to be here. I don't know. You don't know. But I can do the best I can while I'm here with the time that God is allowing me to have. And I want you to take this moment just to kind of think about things in your life. Like, yo, what am I doing with my time? Are you progressing? Are you trying to get 1% better? We're not doing 0 days. Anybody waking up and not doing anything. We've been con, y'all. It's a setup. It's a straight up setup. So if you have time, please check out this other video where I start to go into the construct of the sales game and how they got us all confused and hypnotized. That being said, my name is Bruce Rain. Let's get it.